Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can use the presets in Adobe Lightroom. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the Adobe Lightroom. So I'm going to open it. So as you can see, the Adobe Lightroom is here. Now simply what we have to do, we have to go to the picture section, and now we need to choose the picture, that which image you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one. So we have to choose this, and after choosing this, as you can see, it will take few seconds. It's up to your device. And for example, we need to go to the preset section, and after going to the preset section, as you can see, 170 plus other premium presets by becoming a premium member. If you want to use 170 plus presets, you can also do that. You just need to upgrade your access. So now I'm gonna click on this, and as you can see, these all are the page. So we have to choose that which one you want to use. For example, if you want to use this one, you have to click on this, and as you can see, now we have to buy this because it's for the premium one. And after that, you have to go to the US section, and in the US section you will get some presets, like in the color section, as you can see, in the natural and the bright and the high contrast. These all are provided here. You just have to choose them. These are free, you can use them. If you want to edit them, you can also do that. As you can see, you can increase or decrease this as well. So in this way you can use the presets option. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use a presets option in Adobe Lightroom. It's very easy to understand. So see you guys in the next video.